Now if we want to add some columns to our back raised patio, and we want to use the same ones that we used at the front for continuity, we would go to the front of the house, and you could zoom into any one of the column and lights that are there, and you click on the column, hold the shift key down, and click on the light as well. Right click it, click the group menu, and now you have made that into a group. Then do a copy and paste, and you've got another unit that you can take into the backyard. So grab a hold of it and just move over to the margin, and it'll slide over by itself. A lot of neat little features just like this into the software that I really appreciate. Now, going to the plan view is probably the best way to align things properly, and you could find the exact location that you want to have each column. Copy and paste for additional columns, of course, and you can set them up exactly where you want them, and bring that over to here as well, and we'll put one more in and locate that one right about here. Then if we want to add seat walls in between here, all we have to do then is use our retaining wall tool and create some seat walls. So now we've got our columns nicely in place. That didn't take long at all.